Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of a brand new 512 GB SanDisk dual drive Luxe, and this is one of the best pen drives available in the market. And if you see the price guys, this is very high, and I got this particular pen drive for about less than 2800 on Amazon. You all can check out the link in the description if you want to buy this particular pen drive from Amazon. And here are the documentation, etc. And the pen drive guys really look gorgeous if you just open the case. And this comes in this plastic protective casing with you just have to remove it. And I'd been using this particular pen drive for about 3 years or more, and since launch of its original SanDisk dual drive Luxe. And basically I have three copies, two of 128 GB, and this is the 512 GB which I got just for my YouTube work. And it is very compact, and with the help of which you can transfer and carry the data anywhere. And it comes with a Type-C connector with the help of which you can connect it to the mobile computers, tablets, laptops, and especially Mac. And it also has this regular Type-A connector. You can use it with the older computers, TV, and with your car and all the music system. And basically it is very sturdy build guys, and as you can see over here, I've been using this for more than 3 years and I had no issues with it. And this in particular is made in Taiwan, and I have the Chinese variant also and the Malaysian variant also with me, and this is made in Taiwan guys. So I'm very much excited to see the speed test of it. So please watch this video till the end, because in this video we are going to cover the speed test, and also I'm going to give my accurate review of how this particular pen drives and why should you buy this over something like Samsung and all. By the way, SanDisk is not sponsoring this video, so they have zero credibility, and my review is not based on any of the companies. So I have connected to the D drive, and you have this documentation and some apps to install on your Windows and your Android. So let me just quickly start Crystal Dismark, and let's see what speed we are getting. So in my previous testing guys, I was getting quite a good speed, maybe around 128 GB, around for somewhat like 150 Mbps and all. So I'm pretty much excited. And if you see the read speed over here, it is 289.66, which is around what 290 Mbps, and which is very great. It is almost in par with the Samsung, which I have already tested. So you all can check, click on the I button and check out the previous video of which we have done comparison with the 128 GB with Samsung and all. And in this case guys, I think this is a 512 GB, so it is going to have this newer chip which is made in Taiwan. And I'm pretty much excited to see the write speed, because Samsung was giving me around something like 35 Mbps, because the read speed was very good, but the write speed I was not happy with my Samsung. So I decided to get this just to transfer videos which I'm doing for YouTube. If you like this kind of content guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So coming back to this pen drive guys, it's made from metallic build. So I know most of the people were getting issues of heating up, so when transferring their data and all, even I'm getting that same issues. So it is getting very hot right now. If you see, the write speed is about 70 Mbps, and the pen drive is heated quite a lot, but don't worry, it is going to get cooled out soon, because this kind of pen drives guys which are made from metal, they dissipate heat much more faster than the pen drives with the plastic body. So plastic body, they don't get heated up guys, but the chip inside get heated up, and they don't give the heat. And in my personal opinion, it's not even an issue, because any laptop, even if you see, if they are made from metal, they tend to get much more hotter compared to the ones which are made from plastic, because plastic is a bad conductor of heat and metal is a good conductor of heat, and especially aluminum guys, and it is going to get cooled much more better. So I don't even think that it's an issue when it comes to heating. Of course, I know the dual drive Luxe is getting heated like crazy. I've also done a temperature comparison of various pen drives. You all can check that out. And basically guys, my honest opinion about this particular pen drive, because this is the third time I'm buying the same dual drive Luxe, because I'm using this with my YouTube, so I wanted a very high capacity pen drive to store all the videos which I'm doing, like reviews, etc. And secondly, it is very comfortable and portable, and it is having the best looking in terms of pen drive, I feel even like there are some HP pen drives also which are looking very cute. And basically I'm buying this particular pen drive only for the write speed, guys, because the write speed is insane, like around 70 Mbps for a pen drive, and I'm pretty much happy with it. And if you see even the build quality, it is, it's just built like a tank. And in my case, I'm looking for a very durable pen drive which is going to last very long. So I'm using my original pen drive from 2020 for about maybe more than 3 years, and I had no issues with it, not even with the hinge. And I think I'm very much satisfied customer of this SanDisk dual drive Luxe. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, and are you thinking of purchasing the dual drive Luxe. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.